Hi, welcome to Life Recipes. I'm Samruddhi and today we are preparing potato fry. Firstly, take 2 medium-sized potatoes, sliced. Add salt, turmeric powder, jeera powder, chili powder and give it a quick mix. Now, in a tawa, add 1 teaspoon of oil, spread it, add potato pieces and cook for straight 12 minutes. In between, please saute so that potato cooks evenly. And there you go, the potato fry is ready. Thank you for stopping by and watching our channel Easy Life Recipes. Please do like, subscribe and share, and always stay happy, always stay blessed. See ya!